Okay, great.
What in the hell are you doing? Rubber.
Jesus.
Wait. They could take a character from Bluey. What?
What? Huh? You see that guy?
5 years growing up in Ghana. He'll talk about the inspiration behind his art and his exploration of non-linear storytelling, which he learned from his grandmother.
My grandmother's story.
So, in other words, when you were in Utah, how did you dress up? Like, what'd you do? Holy mother of fucking dumbass! What the fuck?
Man choice versus the Boston Pops. And without a doubt, the wardrobe is more comfortable. The stuffy crowd in a ska band than having to wear a cummerbund performing at the Met. It's a little bit of a different thing. What would you?
When I'm not mounted. So he's mounted on Lexington, and he will trot in about 20 feet where it starts to open up and then do.
It was my turn.
Oh wow!
By Rebecca Klingel, directed by Kristen Burke, executive produced by Cole Sprouse, Rebecca Klingel, Rob Herding, David Henning, Sandra Yee Lin, and Michelle Zarati, co-executive producer.
They're still doing actually F1.
That crazy
Kaczynski movie, right?
What the fuck are you doing?
With Brad Pitt, which is sort of the Top Gun on tracks. But in the editing,
now you can't go to the.
Players have serious fate. Lee Todd, a player in the UK, holds the record for getting the fastest.
Kid is doing is legitimately special, and right now he's as good as anybody. In the meantime, we extend our birthday wishes to the producer of this program on this day, Brendan Bubba Peregrine.
Do you know about
it? It is, bro. It is.
No, I've never heard of this. So the Iron Man. Can you look up the Iron Man challenge?
Actually, I can tell you how many calories I burn on the day as well. All right. Tell you on the spot.
Yeah. The
the ability to mute mics when candidates aren't talking, which is going to be in place debates and by the campaign systems. Dan, I mean,
that's Squishy Mo for you. Such a tactician. Speaking of coalition, I hear they're working on another alliance.